For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9. According to latest reports, actor Kicha Sudeep has allegedly adopted 4 government schools in Chitradurga. The actor adopted the schools with the intention of digitizing the place by installing computers for the better education of the students. Sudeep's charitable trust has adopted 4 schools of Challakere Taluk in Chitradurga. From renovating the schools to painting them, from constructing clean toilets to installing computers, Kicha Sudeep Trust will look after all the requirements of these schools. In fact, the actor, through his initiative and trust, has decided to install all necessary infrastructure in school to give quality education to students. Apparently, Sudeep has also implemented scholarship programs to help students and has also planned to take care of teachers' salaries. The actor has also set up volunteers to check on the locations of these schools to thoroughly ensure that the schools are well equipped. Sudeep reportedly was planning on adopting schools from a very long time. The actor wanted to adopt these schools in the month of March. But the continuous lockdown and various restrictions did not allow him to undergo the procedure to adopt the schools. However, later when the government of Karnataka withdrew lockdown and announced certain relaxations, the actor immediately completed his incomplete work and adopted schools. Certain reports suggest that schools will be functional from the month of August. Sudeep's charitable trust just wants to prepare these schools before the students start coming in. Actor Kicha Sudeep is known for his charity work. Apart from adopting schools, the actor has also helped many during the lockdown and pandemic. The actor had recently helped a family for their daughter's wedding. Sudeep's charitable trust had also helped a boy with the expenses of his treatment and an orphan girl with her education. On the work front, Sudeep is all set to begin the shooting for his upcoming film Phantom this week. The first schedule after the lockdown will reportedly be held at the Annapurna Studios in Hyderabad. There will be minimal cast and crew working while following all safety protocols. Reportedly, an elaborate forest set has been erected and some action sequences will be shot.